Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and guess what? I got a neon sign of my logo. It's in this box. It's by Custom Neon. I reached out to them about a month ago asking if they would sponsor me for a video, and they didn't. So instead, I just went ahead and bought their sign. So I'm gonna be unboxing it and testing it out for you guys. So y'all can see it's packaged safely. It's just a box, so I'm not really gonna like walk through the box. I'm just gonna get it out. But this is the thing that it's in. It is really nicely packaged. I am very happy with the way that this was packaged. Okay, so for the neon signs, there were a bunch of add-on options ranging from the full range of color for the RGB lights to like being waterproof, and the only one that I didn't get was waterproofing. So I got the option to have all of the RGB colors, which was an extra $88, I believe. And I got the wall mounting kit that it comes with. So there's a QR code right here that shows the setup instructions that you can scan the QR code and figure out how to set everything up. This is the remote that runs the lights. It's a really cool remote, actually. This, I don't know what this is yet. This is, oh wait, no, there's a user manual right here. Give me a second. Okay, I figured everything out. So connected to my neon sign, there is this, like power box basically, that controls the LEDs. And then there's this black one, this black box, and these two connect right here like this. And then there's this cord, which is going to be the main power cord that goes into the wall that connects to the black box right there, like that. And then there are the wall mounting tools right here. So the remote takes 3 AAAs, which I have to go downstairs and get really quick, so I will be right back. All right, so I got the AAAs. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plug the sign in. I'm going to unwrap it. And then I'm going to plug the sign in just to see how it looks, you know.
Dang, son. Yeah, that's a new thing I learned. Dang, son.
Dang, son.
Dang, son.
Look at this, ready?
Isn't this crazy?
Check this out, boy! So it's got multiple videography settings. So I take the remote, right? And it's got the little circle of color. So touching the circle of color will change it, and I can drag it like this, and it looks really cool. Then I can change the brightness level. So let's go to, I like that. When I press the down arrow, the color goes down, and when I press the up arrow, the color goes back up. And then you press the little center button, and it does different modes of transition. So this one's a fade. It's also got whatever that was. And then just cool stuff. I'm gonna mess around with it. But not all of their neon signs have that option. You can, I think there were 19, less than 19 color options, or you could get for an extra $88, you could have the full RGB, which is what I got, and the wall mounting kit, which is what I got as well. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
You like the sign, ladies and gentlemen? I do. It looks really cool. So I can actually change it a bunch. I can do, if it chooses to, there we go. See? I have all of the colors at my disposal. And I also have a fade. So as I'm talking, it could be fading. So then honestly, I could time it so my run lights and my bed lights and my sign all are fading simultaneously together, which would take a while, but it's totally something that I can do. And I can also dim it like that. But yeah, I really, really like this sign. It was expensive, I will say that, because I asked for the collab and they said no. They did give me a 15% off coupon that I was able to use. And on top of that, I got some money from my grandparents, which I love you, Grandma and Papa. But they gave me $100 to put towards this. They didn't know that that's what it was for, but that's what it was for. So I only spent about $250 on this sign instead of like 496 or 409, almost $500. But it's really cool, and I'm very happy. I will have the link to the people that made the sign, the company, in the description down below. They're pretty expensive, but they're also pretty cheap as far as neon signs go. But like, as far as just money in general, they are rather expensive. But they're really cool. You can upload an image and they can make it. So that's something that you can do. I just chose one of the basic fonts that they provide. Yeah, thank you for choosing to watch this video. Please like and subscribe if you aren't already. And go ahead and hit that notification bell if you're so kind, so you know when I'm super cool and I post a video. Have an amazing rest of your day or night, depending on when you're watching this. Love you guys. Peace out.